Online shopping is no longer a novelty but the norm. When you need something, you log into an e-commerce store, order it, and expect it at your front door within a day or two. It seems that you can buy everything you need on Amazon.com. But do you really get them from the porch every time? Apera KEEPER, we made it our mission to protect your deliveries from porch pirates and package thieves. Our first product is the DIY home automatic recipient machine, that we make your existing cabinets become an arm. To secure and receive your packages remotely, with greater efficiency and convenience than ever before. The Keeper, delivery to your safe, without have to ship everything to your office. Even let it stuff up your P.O. box, trace down the delivery driver, or let strangers enter your house while you're not at home. All you need is choosing an existing cabinet, using KEEPER DIY all-in-one kit, to create your own automatic recipient machine, and internet access. In Apera KEEPER, the best way to use KEEPER is to use it with the Wi-Fi doorbell, or let the driver contact you. Using the smart app, you can control the recipient machine, and receive the package remotely, anytime, anywhere. Your delivery driver simply press the button on the top, to close the cabinet door. Delivery can be completed in less than a second. You will be notified that your cabinet door be opened, or be closed. And the Keeper is safely locked, with packages inside. Keeper, suitable for 4-tight port usage, can easily attach on your porch, your storage bench, your package box, your cabinet, your chicken coop door, and even worth for gifts. Keeper works on all measure cares, and can be worked with 5 control mode. You can share your control on the smart app to your family, your friends or anyone you want, such as the food or grocery delivery companies, your letter deliveries, even a super surprise box. Keeper is in mass production right now. The delivery driver is happy to use Keeper, because they know the package would be received securely. One button close, make anything easy. Hide the package in a box without a lock and keyhole, and the porch pirate can't even be aware of whether there is a package inside. The delivery driver is willing to use, and you can get the real peace of mind. We're excited to share Apera KEEPER with you, and looking forward to making sure your packages, and all the deliver safely and securely.